going to test my BMW X3 in this negative weather. The temperature is currently around -5. I'm now inside the car, going to start it. It's -5 and the blower motor is making a noise. Pretty classic. 4x4 light is on. Let me see if yeah. Get the defrost there going on. I'm gonna take out the cover there. Well, we're still at the blue level for the coolant temperature, but should be okay. There's no more noise now in the blower, but it's still freezing inside. Like my 4x4 light didn't turn off. So does that mean that it will be stuck in the snow or ice? Huh. So my 4x4 light didn't turn off. So the 4x4 light didn't turn off, but I'm still not experiencing any slippage or anything. I need to turn on the defrost. Windshield is very icy. But yeah, for some reason, this 4x4 light with this cold weather didn't turn off. I'm on the freeway now and the 4x4 light is still on. I haven't experienced any slippage yet, even on the city or on the side roads. One thing that I noticed is that I think my rear defroster and my front windshield defroster, they are not working properly. Right now my windshield is like not really clean, which is really bad at driving. So even if I turn that on, it doesn't seem to have an effect. So I think the climate controls for this is broken, or the flaps or the vent motors for this are not working properly. So yep, this is like one of the many things that are failing or failed in this console. It's quite interesting that after I made a stop and then restarted the car, the 4x4 warning light disappeared. And I don't see any difference actually when driving with 4x4 light on and off. So I'm not so sure if it's just an issue with cluster or I'm always on 4x4 mode. Like always all-wheel drive somehow. But yep. So far no slippage. The car is solid on snow or ice. Didn't notice any difference. The blower motor stopped squeaking, probably because it has warmed up already. Yeah, problem is my inner windshield is actually like really bad. I think when I wiped it inside, there's something like an oil residue, so I cannot properly see my windshield like 100%. I could still drive though, but yeah, it's still like really fucked inside.